You're welcome to my channel. Today's video we are going to discuss basic equipment and the recipe you need for your business. You see, one of the major problems bakery owners face is recipe and the right equipment to start the business. And so today we are going to break it down. Now you don't it must not be so great and sophisticated equipment. You can actually start with the basic ones and grow, scale to that level that you will need a rotary oven, one of those big equipment like the sealing machine and other big equipments or advanced equipment. So for you as a beginner, what you need is a mixer, and the mixer should be at least 25 kg capacity mixer. Don't go for less. Manage that. This should be the list that you should go for. And then your oven, you can start with a 3-deck oven. You can start with 3-deck oven. You can also, there is need for you to buy a digital scale. You need electricity. You need either a soundproof lister or generator. If you buy a single phase, then you can go for soundproof. Now for the oven, it could be either electric or gas oven. Then your electricity or power supply. You need some pans. At least you need the jumbo size, the round pan, the jumbo size, the sliced bread size or medium, and then you need round pans. These are some of the pans you will need. Then you will need at least 2 tables. You need 2 tables, at least 2 tables, a knife. Some plates are also important. Plates. You will also need a bucket, at least the one that is calibrated, that white transparent bucket with cover. That bucket is very, very important. So these are the basic equipment that you need for your bakery business. Now let's come to the recipe, which is one of the most important aspects. Without recipe, your business is useless. I tell you, this equipment has nothing to do without recipe. Now, if you have the equipment and you have wrong recipe, you will not make profit. Also, your bread will not be good. And so you need quality recipe for your production, for your bread to stand out. That is why I step in to give you solution to that problem, to help you out. Now, this recipe is not just useless or recipe that has not been tested. This is a tested and proven recipe for your business as a bread bakery owner. So let's look at it. The first one, this is for 50 kg of flour. That is 1 bag. If it is Nigeria, we call it 1 bag recipe. So for salt, we have 600 grams of salt for 50 kg of flour. We have sugar. Sugar should be 6 kg of sugar. And then we have butter, 2 kg. It could be less, it could be more. And then you can use your preserve, calcium propionate. Look for calcium propionate for your preservative. You need calcium propionate. Yeah, look for this calcium propionate for your preservative. Is very, very effective. And then we have bread improver or dough improver. You can call it dough improver or bread improver or dough conditioner, bread conditioner. Any of it is the same. It's referring to the same thing. And there are different brands. Brands like EDC and Panok are very popular. So you can go for it. And for that, if you're using EDC, you should use about 200 grams. If you're using Panok, you check the sachet for recommended quantity, mostly 100 to 200 grams. And then for me, if you want that bread that has the milky taste as bread, then if you want that bread that has milky taste, then you should use condensed milk, 1 kg. There is one container of condensed milk, it looks like tin Bonvita, that size, that condensed milk is very affordable and it's also very nice. When you use that condensed milk, it will also affect the sweetness. The sugar will be well pronounced and nice. So you can use that condensed milk, 1 kg of the condensed milk. Now, if you're using powder milk, it's still 1 kg. If you compare the prices, you discover that the condensed milk is cheaper. So for your yeast, you can use 600 grams of yeast, 500 to 600 grams of yeast will do the job. And you can also use a milk flavor, oil base. Oil milk flavor will do the job. Please make sure it's oil milk flavor, because then we have the water-based milk flavor and the oil milk flavor. If you buy the water milk flavor, the one that looks exactly like milk but is flavor or powdered, those two doesn't really give the required or desired aroma. That strong, good aroma will not be there. But if you use the oil base, it will, do the job. Now, egg is optional. If you want to use egg, you can use 7 eggs for the 50 kg of flour, but it's optional. Now, the next thing is water. You can use water. 22 to 25 liters of water will also do the job. Now, this depends on the brand of flour. Some flour will take only 22 liters. Some will take 23, 24, 25. Now you have to observe the one that take more water, and I'll stick to that brand because it will give you more loops. More water means more loaves of bread. So this is just a simple, unique recipe. If you try, you will thank me later. So now let me point one or two things to you. For your condensed milk, you can actually do without it. If you are the type that want to supply that type of bread that is like foam, it's just supplied to the street, and you don't want your bread to be outstanding, to stand out, then you can easily remove this one, or you use instead of the 1 kg, you can reduce it to 500 grams for the condensed milk. And for the butter, instead of 2 kg, you can also reduce it to 1 kg, and then you add, please permit me to erase this one. So for your butter, if you are reducing your butter to 1 kg, you should add 500 grams of vegetable oil, and you will still have a good consistency. So egg will not be there, and you are good to go. So now for this recipe, if you don't like milk flavor, if you don't want your bread to have milk flavor, you can remove the milk flavor and replace it with either vanilla flavor, nutmeg, butterscotch, banana flavor. There are a lot of flavors out there that you can actually use and make your bread unique and outstanding. This is just a brief video. I decided to give you free recipe and some basic equipment that you need for your bakery business. Tell me where you are watching from, and also don't forget to click the like button. Subscribe to this channel. Click the like button. Liking this video is the best way that you are paying me. I tell you the truth. For more details, if you want training, online training, or you can invite us also to come to your bakery and give your staffs the best training. We also write business plan, a lot of things. Anything concerning your bread bakery, contact us on the number displayed on your screen or on this number, and we will do justice. See you in our next video. God bless you.